it is time to talk a little about SEO, or search engine optimization. This is how you improve the ranking of your pages in the search engine results pages, or SERPs. From your research earlier, you should have uncovered certain seed keywords and key phrases that describe your business activities. You will also have a number of secondary keywords and key phrases that describe subdivisions of your main niche subject. You will start with your homepage. You will focus its content on your primary seed keywords, and your subpages will focus on the secondary keywords. Your text should be written in a natural fashion and should use your keywords in a normal way. Avoid using your keywords too many times and never repeat them in an unnatural way. It is quite normal for your keywords and key phrases to make up about 5 to 10% of your content, particularly on highly focused websites. Remember that each page in your website should have a specific objective. This may be to inform the visitor about specific aspects of your product or service. The goal may be to encourage your visitors to take a specific action, like complete a form or click a Buy Now button. Make certain that you include the call to action, or CTA, on the page and explain the action that you want the visitor to take. Your action steps for this section should include looking at your keyword research. Then start drafting sentences and paragraphs that will include your keywords in a natural flowing way. Useful links. Open these accounts if you have not already, to use their free keyword research tools. Google.com/home/tools/keyword planner. Bing.com/toolbox/keywords.